not exit the train. To figure out what in the world is going on.
Oh, right here.
But oh my goodness, where are my manners? My name is Al. Can everybody say, hey Al? Hey Al. Hey y'all. So I could really use y'all's help. You'll meet my partner Ralph in just 2 shakes of a lamb's tail, but first let me tell you a story. So Ralph and I, we were off writing this train show, and we found ourselves, well, we technically stole it, but we found it, you know. We found ourselves a golden typewriter upon which we were going to write this train show special effects extravaganza. And so everything was going great until, well, I lost it. I lost the typewriter, y'all, and I couldn't face Ralph with the truth, so I told him that someone else, someone real famous, stole the typewriter from me. And he's in that soundproof courthouse right now looking high and low for it. Ralph, can you hear me? Oh, see, soundproof. Awesome, y'all. So I need y'all's help coming up with some details to throw Ralph off the trail, all right? So from these 2 cars back here, I need y'all to give me a famous person who could have stolen the typewriter. Just shout them on out at me.
Bonnie and Clyde.
What?
Bonnie and Clyde.
What? Don't laugh, tell me
Bonnie and Clyde.
What?
Bonnie and Clyde.
Bonnie and Clyde, they definitely could have stole it. Awesome, so Bonnie and Clyde stole the typewriter from me. Now, down here, these 2 cars, I need a geographic location where I could have been when Bonnie and Clyde stole this from me. So throw me a location, any location on Earth. Indonesia, what? What? Toys R Us? Oh, rest in peace, but I'll do that one. Toys R Us stole, it was where we were when Bonnie and Clyde stole the golden typewriter. Now we just gotta wait for Ralph to get on out here.
Alf, there you are, you miserable excuse for a brain holster. Oh, hey everybody.
Everybody look, it's Ralph. Say hey, Ralph.
Well, hey, how's everybody? Oh, don't you get me off track, Alf. You have a seat, we got some talking to do.
Oh, talking, huh? Well, I ain't got nothing to say to you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You talk a good fight, but you know and I know I could crack you like an egg in like 3 minutes or less.
Oh, 3 minutes, huh? Put 3 minutes on that clock, conductor.
All right, you got it, folks on the train. You can help Ralph by snapping your fingers when he gets closer to getting the right answer. Can we all snap our fingers right now? All right, everybody's fingers work, and the timer is on.
Who did it? Tell me who stole the golden typewriter off right now.
Well, it's not a matter of who, but a matter of whose that did it.
Matter of whose?
Yep.
Matter of whose?
That's
2 people from Whoville stole it? Is that what you're saying?
It was 2 people. It was 2 people, but they weren't from Whoville. No.
2 people? It
Yeah.
was a team, is what you're saying.
Yeah, a team, a pair of thieves.
Ooh, Beyonce and Jay-Z stuff.
You know, no, but you could say they were the Beyonce and Jay-Z of their profession.
Okay.
Right?
What a cryptic remark that is.
Well, I mean, yeah, they were just really good at it for a while before they
For a
weren't
while,
good at it.
before they weren't good at it.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I mean, everybody goes through phases, you know.
That's right. Are you saying that Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie stole it?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that Brangelina stole the golden typewriter.
2 minutes, Ralph. 2 minutes.
J-Lo and A-Rod?
It was not J-Lo and A-Rod. They're further back in time.
Further back in time.
Yeah,
George and Martha Washington?
No, a little
Up
forward in
here,
time.
okay.
You know, these people, surprisingly, I totally expected them to steal it from me when I saw them.
Really?
Yeah, they're thieves extraordinary.
So they were already criminals.
They were already criminals.
Wow. What time? What era would you say these criminals did their criminal in?
Oh, you know, early this century, late last century,
Early
somewhere
this
around
century,
there.
late last century.
Well,
Okay.
not the 2000s, early the 90s.
And was it a man and a woman?
A man and a woman, they were romantically engaged.
Wait a minute! I'm trying to say that Bonnie and Clyde stole that golden typewriter.
Whoa, yeah, I am.
You should have known that was what they were going to do.
I know, but
That's what they do. But where did it happen?
Well, the place it happened was such a nice place that I couldn't imagine they'd steal from there.
They stole it from a Waffle House?
It was not a Waffle House.
1 minute, 1 minute.
1 minute!
It was one of the last of these places on Earth because you know that.
Ooh, a Sears? They stole it at a Sears?
Yeah. No, this place is now all completely gone. You know,
Oh,
they.
all completely gone.
I just didn't think they'd steal it from
They
all
went
them.
to a Circuit City?
No, but I didn't think they'd steal it from all them kids that were
Kids.
there.
Kids.
Man, there were
Okay.
just lots of little children. Cause
So what, were toys sold there?
in fact, yes.
30 seconds, 30 seconds.
Wait a second. Are you saying that Bonnie and Clyde stole that old typewriter from a Toys R Us?
I am saying that as a matter of fact.
Well. Looks like I figured it out, folks, with time to spare.
You did figure it
Give it
out.
up for me and give it up for yourselves. Good job. Good deductive action.
But Ralph, I got a confession.
What?
I lied. Bonnie and Clyde were innocent of this crime.
Well-
They did not steal the golden typewriter.
I figured since they lived back in the 1930s,
Yeah.
I assumed, but I knew that all the time.
Oh, you did?
I could see through you like a pane of glass.
And you're not mad?
Of course I'm not mad. We all make mistakes.
Well, how are we going to write our show now?
Well, I've been thinking about that. I got me a MacBook Pro. That's right. I said a MacBook Pro, not a MacBook Air. Right back there, not from Circuit City. But we can get on a website like Etsy or Pinterest, get us a new golden typewriter. Right. Our summer trade show special effects extravaganza.
Well, folks, that horn means it's about time for y'all to roll on out, but thank y'all for stopping and helping me.
Oh, and come back this summer for our summer trade show special effects extravaganza.
All right, everybody, wave goodbye.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
All right. Everybody find your seats so we can continue our journey.